Hi there! In today's episode we're going to look at planet Neptune. Now Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun at a distance of 2.8 billion miles, 4.5 billion kilometres, and it takes about 16 hours to rotate once. That's a Neptunian day. About 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Neptune's atmosphere is made up of mostly molecular hydrogen, atomic helium and methane, which gives it that blue colour. Neptune has 13 moons and one apparently awaiting confirmation of discovery, which are named after sea gods and nymphs in Greek mythology. And Neptune is known to have 6 very faint rings. Now, because dwarf planet Pluto has a highly elliptical orbit, every now and again Pluto slips inside the orbit of Neptune, about once every 228 Earth years, and it stays there for a period of 20 years. It last happened between 1979 and 1999. The next time will be 2227, so don't hold your breath waiting. Now, Neptune was discovered by Jean-Joseph Leverrier, who was a mathematician, and he used maths on a blackboard to calculate its position, then told observers where to look, and they did, and it was there. Neptune has the second largest gravity of any planet in the solar system, second only to Jupiter, and it spins very quickly on its axis. The planet's equatorial clouds take 18 hours to complete one rotation. And the climate on Neptune is extremely active. In its upper atmosphere, large storms sweep across. High-speed winds track around the planet, speeds up to 2,000 kilometers an hour. The dark spots you can see on some photographs are transient, some lasting just a few years. In fact, most of the ones on the photographs you can see here are not there anymore. The largest of the moons is Titan, a frozen world which spits out particles of nitrogen ice and dust from below its surface. And Neptune has an average surface temperature of -214, which is slightly warmer than Uranus, even though it's further from the Sun. Not that you would notice the difference if you were there. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe, as we aim to get videos out released about once a week or so on various astronomical topics. And if there's something that we haven't covered that you'd like to see covered, well, message me below and I'll do my best. I'll certainly respond. So I'll say I hope you enjoyed today's show, and thank you for watching, and thank you. See you next time.